Hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. In this lesson, we are going to consider collisions, asteroids, and mass extinction. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain what mass extinction is and what mass extinction event is. You should be able to explain the role of asteroid in mass extinction on Earth. You should be able to state as well as explain some evidence of asteroid impact on Earth. And you should be able to explain how asteroid impact caused mass extinction on Earth. Now, you should also be able to state other causes of mass extinction apart from the impact of asteroid in our planet. What could have led to the extinction of dinosaurs? To be able to answer this question, we need to understand what an asteroid is and why it sometimes leaves its course of rotation around the sun and enters the Earth atmosphere. These are asteroids. Asteroids are basically found in the asteroid belt in our solar system. Okay, they are usually non-spherical, rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system. That is about 4.6 billion years ago. Now, asteroids orbit the sun, okay, even though they are not planets. They form a ring-like structure around the sun. If you are to observe our solar system outside the solar system, it will actually appear like a ring around the sun. Okay? Now, asteroids are sometimes drawn by the gravity of Jupiter and they lose their course or leave their course of rotation and move towards other planetary or celestial objects. Okay? Like what we have here. We have an asteroid here that have lost its course and then moved or plunged towards the Earth atmosphere. Now, scientists think that the impact of these asteroids contributed to the extinction of dinosaurs. They believe that 66 million years ago, a mountain-sized like asteroid, which is about 9 kilometers in diameter, slammed into the Earth just off the coast of Mexico Yucatan Peninsula, dooming the dinosaurs and leading to their mass extinction. Now, how then do we know that there have been impact or asteroid impact? One way to know to be able to figure this out, or that is an evidence that shows that there had been an impact, is the formation of crater. Okay, we have a lot of craters formed around. Now, on Earth, some of these craters are no more, cannot be identified because of our atmosphere, because of our wind and other conditions, okay, that have actually eroded or wiped them off. But in places like the moon, we have a lot of them, okay, because there's no atmosphere there, nothing to be able to, remove the prints of these craters or this asteroid impact, okay? So when you go to the moon, for instance, or when you observe the moon, you see a whole lot of them, a whole lot of craters, okay? Showing that at the time, there had been a lot of asteroid shower or asteroid fall on some of these celestial bodies. Evidence for asteroid impact on Earth. One of the evidence is the formation of crater, like I said earlier. Okay, we have a lot of craters around. We have the Ackermann crater in Australia, the Rutherford crater in South Africa. We have the Chicxulub crater in Mexico. We have the Sandbrew crater in Ontario, Canada, and so on. Okay, this is an clear evidence. Okay, another evidence is the discovery of some metals like iridium. Iridium is actually a rare metal that is similar to platinum but only found in asteroids and molten rock. All right? Another evidence is asteroid dust on impact site. Asteroid dust found within the Chicxulub impact crater is one major evidence of asteroid impact. Okay, the Chicxulub crater is actually a precise geographical location that marks the asteroid impact that caused a mass extinction and the death of dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. Another evidence is the fossil record we have around. Okay? Asteroid fragments and the first dinosaur fossil from the impact of asteroids 66 million years ago have been discovered at a dig site in North Dakota. And this is like a breakthrough, a major breakthrough to show or to indicate that impact of asteroid must have caused the extinction of dinosaurs. Effect of asteroid impact on Earth. We have just basically two of such effects. Okay? On impact with the ground can be vaporized, sending material into the air in form of dust, ash, and gas. Okay? But on impact on water or on the ocean, a lot of waves can be generated, which may lead to tsunami. Okay? How asteroid impact caused mass extinction? Now, in this slide, we will find out how the asteroid impact led to mass extinction. But before then, we need to understand what mass extinction is. Okay? Mass extinction is basically the dying out of species in large number, okay, in a period of time. An event that causes a large number or a large percentage of all species to disappear in a relative short time is mass extinction event. Such event could take different form, one of which is an asteroid impact. How then does an asteroid impact cause mass extinction? Number one, a large asteroid collision can create enough dust to block light from the sun. This might reduce the sun's radiation to the earth and make the temperature of the earth to drop quickly, okay, leading to what we call the impact winter. This creates a kind of an unfavorable weather condition that may be difficult for life to survive. Okay? Now, this must have led to the death of thousands of dinosaurs at that time. Number two, prolonged blockage of the sun can affect plants that especially rely on photosynthesis to produce their own food, and hence affect animals that feed on the plants directly, or even other animals that feed on herbivores around. Okay? This can cause mass death to plants and animals in the affected area. Number three, large asteroid impact can set off supervolcanic eruption, and the material that is thrown towards the atmosphere can cause pollution, can cause climate change, which will eventually lead to mass extinction. Number four, if the asteroid hits in water, then there would be a tsunami. And this can increase an increase in water vapor in the atmosphere. And when you have an increase in water vapor in the atmosphere, the resultant rainfall will be too much, okay? will be too heavy, causing flooding, landslide, mudslide, and so on, leading to mass extinction. Okay? These are ways that the asteroid indirectly caused mass extinction. Now, sometimes asteroid can directly cause mass extinction, like what we have here. Asteroid strike, okay, can be too deadly, as in to cause the whole species around that region to die off. Other causes of mass extinction are we have the plate tectonic movement leading to earthquake. If you observe this, this is how it is believed that the continents were 180 million years ago. They were like together. Now, after so many years, about 100 million years ago, they started separating. They started moving apart from each other. But notice this movement and then this movement 40 million years ago. Now, notice that some of the continents started receding and moving towards other continents, okay, as if they are crashing in towards other continents. And even this one, it's moving towards this one, the South American continent, moving towards the north. Okay. Now notice this is a present day, how it looked like. Okay. Now plate tectonic movement is basically what's happening here. These movements have led to a number of earthquakes because the two plates tend to move towards each other and produce a heavy shock wave. Shock wave that have led to a lot of earthquake, especially in these regions where they're moving towards each other. Okay? And these have led to so many loss of lives, both plant and animal lives. Okay? Another cause of mass extinction is climate change due to volcanic eruption or emission. During volcanic eruption, a lot of ash and dust and smoke are thrown into air. This can cause unfavorable condition to species around and may eventually lead to their death. Now, the third cause here is changes in the Earth ocean level. There are lots of causes here. It could be due to warming up of the environment, that is the global warming theme, or other factors. Okay? But then the change in the ocean level is gradually wiping off or can gradually wipe off a whole lot of species. Okay? Guys, I believe you understand the lesson and I want you to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a nice day.